We're back once again, another episode of Bro Dude's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make another simple yet delicious dish, and it really shouldn't take that long to cook. So let me show you the ingredients we're gonna use today. Actually, it's gonna be teriyaki chicken. So what you need, of course, is a pan, a bowl. Yeah, okay. You need chicken. You need honey, sesame seeds, soy sauce, and tomato paste. This is all you need. Now, of course, for your chicken, if you want, you can use, drumsticks, or if you want to use thighs or whatever. I personally like chicken breast. It's low in fats, high in protein, and quite filling. So, the first thing we want to do is we want to mix all our ingredients right here in the bowl, so that we get our flavor, and then we'll go from there. So let's start with that. Put this down. So kind of see what's going on there. Well, if you can't, you get an idea. Okay. So the first thing we need is 2 tablespoons, give or take, of the soy sauce. I'm actually using more chicken this time than the recipe calls for. It calls for 4 breast or thighs, but I'm using 6. So you figure 2 tablespoons, I'll do 3, just because I'm using a little bit more, but it calls for 2. 2 tablespoons, pouring that. And there's another one. Okay, so that is the soy sauce. Then got a tablespoon and a half of the honey. Go ahead and do that. Boy, this stuff is hella thick. Come on. Alright, there we go. Gotta get that off there. Use this damn spoon. Alright, shit's sticking. It's like slime or something. Alright, get a little bit more. Shit. Come on. Okay. Pour that. See, this shit here is really sticking. Come on. Alright, so got that. Okay. And it's still, you know what? Y'all hold on 1 second, because I need to get the damn, wipe this shit off. Alright. Okay. Alright, so that's in there. Now we need, I'll put this back down. Now we need 1 tablespoon of the tomato paste. Alright, and get that. 1 big ass tablespoon. Okay. So, got that. And that's pretty much it for the sauce to start. Okay. We got that. See how that looks. Now we need to mix that together. Okay, so when your ingredients are all mixed together in the bowl, it should look like that. I don't know if this will be enough or not. I may need to make a little bit more, but that's how it should look. So kind of assess your needs based on how much food you have and the coating and all that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put all the chicken in here and we'll go from there. All right. And we are back. So after all the ingredients, get over here. After all the ingredients are mixed together, the chicken should be a nice little coat. And what we're gonna do now is go ahead and put it in this here pan. By the way, Omari's holding the camera now.
Hey guys.
Yeah. Why don't you show yourself so other people can see who the hell you are? Well, now they know who you are. But anyway, so we're gonna put this now chicken in this damn pan. Oh yeah. There we go.
Good.
Yeah, it smells good too. So, make it nice and even. You want to set your broiler on your oven to high. Not using the regular oven, using the broiler. Yes, set it to high. So, some more of that right there. Some more room here. Alright, as you can see, I use much larger chicken breast than, I guess, normal people. So yeah, that in there. Now you can add more sauce if you want to. You know, it calls for 4 chicken breasts, but I use 6 and they're much bigger, so you know, use according to how much food you're actually cooking with. I'm gonna rinse this shit out.
Thank God.
Looks pretty bad. Like we killed a damn animal in this bowl.
Cook it skunk meat.
Damn skunk meat roadkill. Alright, so we'll be back and I will show you what at least one side looks like before we turn this shit over. Alright, I meant to tell you guys, under the broiler you should be cooking this for about 10 minutes, give or take, you know, depending on the you know, the size of the chicken breast. So it's been about 10 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and pull this out and see if it is ready to go. So I'm gonna set this down. Alright, one sec. I know this shit is hot. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright. Yeah, this shit is hot. Okay. Alright. So we need to turn it over. Both sides need to cook about 10 minutes. That's how they're looking right now. Not too bad. Probably could have added a little bit more tomato paste, but the sauce tasted very good. So let's go ahead and flip these over and put them back in for another 10 minutes. So we can finish cooking. So not a real heavy, you know, sauce, but got a good flavor to it. So let's see. I'm gonna flip these over. Be extremely careful with this pan, whatever pan you use, because this shit is scalding hot. Burn your damn eyebrows off. Get it on you. Hold on. Okay, you can see. I don't want this water, juice, whatever to splash on me, because I don't want 10th degree burns, and then you know, I won't look good anymore. I look like shit. I look terrible. But we don't want that. Everybody wants to look nice. So yeah, be very careful. Yeah. Okay. Now flipping these over. Okay, that's the last one right there. All right, and now there we go. So they're turned over. So now I'm gonna let them cook on this side for another 10 minutes. So now we're gonna go ahead and take this shit out the oven. It's been cooking for another 10 minutes on the other side. Remember, very, very hot. Don't want to burn your damn body. Like I said, give or take, use a little bit more sauce if you like. We don't want to cake it up. So the absolute last thing we gotta do now, add the sesame seeds. Let's go ahead and pour that right on. That'll give it a kind of a unique flavor. You know, add as much as you like, a little or less, whatever. Try to get both sides. Alright, so we're gonna turn this over. Put this damn glove on so I don't burn my damn hand. Alright. Once again, don't turn too fast, because this damn juice will put your damn skin out of commission. Look at that shit. You see that? You see that shit? Yeah, damn rattlesnake. Turn nice and slow. Alright, let's bring that down. Turn all these over. Nice and easy.
That's some good chicken tenders.
Man, these damn chicken tenders, these damn breasts.
I ain't say tenders, I said titties.
Oh, damn chicken titties. Yeah, so, like I said, 4 ounce. I usually use 6. That's what these are, 5, 6, whatever. Well, I want this bitch turn for me. Turn, bitch, turn. Okay, there we go. Alright. Got that turned over, like that. I'm gonna go ahead and layer this now with some more the sesame seeds. I like sesame seeds, so you see I'm adding as much as I like. Alright. And that's pretty much it. Light coating, nothing too heavy. If you want it heavier, add more. Serve with some vegetables and call it a day. And that is another edition of Brody's Kitchen. Well, we're back one more time. And after some tasting and consideration, I figured it needed a little bit more sauce. So I just whipped up another batch of it, doubled it up, and now we have a much tastier, juicier, flavorful chicken breast. And it is very delicious. So, we out.